Michelle here with Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, and I'm a DIYer, and today I'm going to share with you a very quick teacher hack for paper towels, because right now with coronavirus, COVID going everywhere, our kids, they come into our room and they have to grab a paper towel and wipe down their area before they sit down. But our paper towels are not perforated. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your paper towel roll and you want to set it down on the floor next to the wall so that it won't roll away. Then you're going to pull up your paper towels and you're going to grab hold with one hand and then put the other hand a few inches above. And you're going to do this a couple times until you can let go of that bottom hand and move your arm in. And then you're going to keep twisting your arms. And I like to twist for about 25 to 30 times. Then, you take your scissors and you're going to cut through your paper towels. And voila, you have a whole bunch of paper towels pre-cut to a nice size for students to use. And I still have this part of my loop left, so I'm going to get 2 more sets of paper towels by cutting this out. And now I have a nice good stack of paper towels for the next class that comes in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with one of your teacher friends, and have an awesome, wonderful day. Toodles!